Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You have chopped chocolate and a clean heat-proof bowl. Place it over gently simmering water and remove from heat once most is melted. Once done, stir continuously so residual heat finishes melting lumps. If it seizes into a clumpy, grainy mass, add 1/2 teaspoon warm water or 1 teaspoon neutral oil while stirring vigorously to re-emulsify. Make sure to add only small amounts. That controlled liquid is what loosens sugar crystals without turning it into a sauce. Once the first additions have loosened the mass, continue by gently warming in short microwave bursts or over the bain-marie while stirring. You want to re-emulsify fats and sugar, so add 1-2 teaspoons melted cocoa butter or 1 tablespoon warm cream if needed and whisk until glossy. Make sure to keep temperatures low. Overheating causes more problems, so stop at the recommended range. If it smooths, cool slightly, then test a dip. If it becomes too thin, stir in more chopped chocolate to thicken. You're almost done. Strain the rescued chocolate if small gritty bits persist, then bring to the proper dipping viscosity by adding a little melted chocolate to thicken or a teaspoon of oil to thin. Once it's smooth, cool to the correct working temp for dipping and test on a scrap. If despite these steps it stays stubbornly grainy, stop and make a small ganache rescue. Melt fresh chocolate with warm cream to create a stable emulsion. This is your key fallback.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.